Get your phones out because we're going to do this awesome trick with a lighthouse. Put it in live photo. It's that little double circle thing. Make sure that's turned on. And you want to zoom in just enough, but if you get too close, it always crops in and later and bounce. So get close enough, but not too close. Leave some extra space so it can crop in. When you press the shutter, watch this. You don't want to move the camera. Look, I'm lightly touching it, and you got to hold still for 3 seconds because it actually is capturing a video. So 3 seconds, but you got to do it right when the light comes. Okay, wait about 3 seconds and start taking about 4 in a row so you get the perfect light. Now, shoot. 1, 2, 3. Then look at your shots. The one where the light's the brightest, swipe up on your phone, and then you want to click bounce and loop and see which one you like best. And that light flashing is just going to keep flashing like a continuous Harry Potter still/video shot. Like a cinematograph, we call them. But sometimes I think the loop looks better, so try them both. Yeah, check that out. Here's the next part. In order to save this, so it's going to show up on someone else's camera, you have got to do a screen capture. So now I show you what to do is go into your control center, turn on screen capture in the bottom right corner. It says 3, 2, 1, and then it's going to actually, when you play this, it's going to take a screen capture and save that as a video. Maybe you want to let it do it for 10 seconds, and then you save it. Here we are, Caryn Esplin with a photo workshop on the Oregon coast. This is Hasita Head. Check that place out. That is a beautiful lighthouse right there. Nice. Isn't that cool? See, look at hers. Awesome.